Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be talking about how to download and install the Scaps simulation software. My name is Emafu Francis Ebere and I'll be your guide. So what is Scaps? Scaps simply means solar cell capacitance simulator. It is a one-dimensional solar cell simulation program that was developed by the Department of Electronics and Information Systems at the University of Gent in Belgium. These scarves have some basic ability to solve semiconductor equations, and it is used in the study of topics such as the effects of the absorber layer thickness, buffer layer thickness, and multivalent defect density on the performance of copper indium gallium selenide. The original program was developed for copper indium diselenide and cadmium telluride. However, as advancements came in the program, it is now able to also simulate silicon solar cells, gallium arsenide solar cells and the family. It is also able to simulate amorphous silicon solar cell and micromorphous silicon solar cells. Now, to be able to download this simulator, you just simply need to visit the website scaps.ellis.ugent.be. On that site, you should also be able to read a bit about the software and learn how to download it. Now, let's visit the website and see a bit from the website itself. Now, this is just you enter the address of the website on your browser and you are here. So, as you can see, the website also describes the software and the people that designed the software, and it shows all the versions that has been developed over the years. You can see a history of the versions that have been developed. Now, to be able to get access to this simulation software, you need to send an email to this person. You can see while I navigate my mouse over the name, the email address appears at the bottom left corner of the screen. But I already have shown you the email address in the PowerPoint presentation, so you can just get the email address from this place, mark.borgman@ugent.be. And what are the basic information you need to send to be able to get access to this information? You need to send your name. You need to send the name and address of the university, your institution, or the company where you are working with. You also need to attach the name and the name of the laboratory or department you are working with. And if you are working under any professor or promoter, you have to also attach the name of that person. This is a sample email I sent when I was trying to access this software, and I faced some challenges. I sent the email, and because some of the informations were not clearly outlined, I got a response requesting for more information. So they requested that I should put the name of the laboratory, the full address, and the name of the supervisor. So for that, I provided the information. I added the name of the department, and when I sent this information, I got a response, and the response contained the link to download the actual software. So once you get access to the actual software, you should be able to download it, and it comes in a zip format like this. So once you download this software, you unzip it, and you are expected to save it to this location, the program files or program files 86. Now, once you install this software, the software should be able to run on Windows 98, 95, Millennium, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, and even the most recent Windows. So just unzip the file and run the setup, and in the next screen, I'll be showing you just some screenshots of me setting up the file. So I unzipped the file and I clicked on the setup. First, it's brought up a pop-up menu asking if I agree to make changes to my computer. Of course, I clicked on yes and proceeded to the next section. And firstly, it showed me a screen, and then it's brought out another screen asking me to select the location where I want the files to be installed. I just allowed it to install in the programs files because it was the best place to install the software. And in the next screen, you can see that the software was completely installed, and I just clicked on finished, and it's brought out another menu asking me to restart my system. Of course, since I was not going to lose anything, I restarted the system, and on startup, I went straight to the folder where the software was installed, that is in the program files, and I clicked on Scaps 3312. This is the most recent version as at the time I was making this video. So you just click on that and you should be able to, access this. Now let's just take a look, a demonstration of how to install this software from your file. Assuming you've downloaded the file. So for instance, this is where I saved the file. I downloaded the 2 versions. And so you just click on this and you click on setup. So it takes you to this screen like I did earlier on. I've already installed it before, so I'll just click on cancel, and then I was able to install. And after installation, now I'm not installing because I've already installed it on my system. Now after installing, you just go to your Windows, you go to your program files, and then you look for Scaps. So you can see I have Scaps installed. I click on Scaps, and when I click on this, the interface of the software opens up. So in the next video, we'll be looking at this interface and we'll be talking about all the features that are here present. For now, this is all I have for you on how to install Scaps simulation software. So this is the last interface that I've just shown. So in the next video, we'll be talking about these interfaces and all the sections therein, and then we can learn how to use it in simulating our solar cells. Thank you very much. My name is Emafo Francis Ebere, and in this video, we just talked about how to download and install the Scaps simulator. See you.